Welcome to Accounts Tutor channel. So today I am going to present you how to create a macro in Microsoft Excel. So actually macro makes your works easy and it saves your time. So today I will show you how to create a simple macro in Microsoft Excel. So before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe the Accounts Tutor YouTube channel for more videos like this one. So to create a macro, I want to create a sample table first. So when I create a sample table, so I want to record my macro. So every step will record throughout the process. So this is my Excel workbook. Then I want to create a new table. So specialities, I want to create this table every month. So then I use macro technique to create this table automatically each month when I want to enter data. So first of all, before creating my table, I want to record a new macro. To record a new macro, what you should do is you can see there's a new tab called in my Excel workbook. There's a developer tab. So under this developer tab, you can see an option called record macro. To record a macro, what you should do is you have to click on this record macro button. So once you click on the record macro, you can see this kind of dialog box. So here you have to give a name for your macro. So I am going to name my macro as sample macro. Then if you need, you can assign shortcut key. So by pressing shortcut key, you can stop or control the macro. So this time I don't want to give a shortcut key. So here you can give a description for your macro. So once you give a macro name and the description or a shortcut key, then you can click on the OK button. So once you click on the OK button, what happens? Your macro begins to record. Now I am going to create my new table in where the B2 cell. So my table first column is serial number, then day, then finally result. Then serial number 1, 2, 3, then 4, then 5, up to Friday. Then I want to add this kind of border for my table. Then I want to bold this table heading. Then I want to align center. Now I finished my table. Then I want to click on the stop macro. So I want to click stop recording. So once I click the stop record button, recording stops. Now I want to save my workbook. Here you have to save your workbook as not a normal Excel workbook. You have to save your workbook as Excel macro enabled workbook. Then I want to give a name like this. Then my saved location is desktop. Then press save button. Yes, now my my Excel workbook saved. You can see This is my macro workbook. Now I want to use my workbook again. Now just assume that I want to run my macro, same workbook, but on the sheet 2. Then to do that, what you should do is just add a new sheet called sheet 2. Now by default my cursor is in A1. To run the macro, what you should do is, again you need to click on the developer tab, then click on macros. So once you click on the macros, you can see your recorded macro name. So I have saved my macro as sample macro. Then if you want to run this macro, what you should do is just click on your macro name and press run button. You see, once you click the run button, what happens? Previously designed table recreated or redesigned or inserted to the sheet 2. Here is the sheet 1, here is the sheet 2. Now if you want to add another table in sheet 3, it is pretty simple. What you should do is, you need to click on the macros, then select the relevant macro, then press run button. So once you press the run button, you see your macro table. So the macro runs and table created. So this is how you can use macros to make your work easy in Microsoft Excel. So this is a simple macro function. So I think it is clear to you. If you need any clarification, please put a comment under the video comment section. Then please do not forget to subscribe to YouTube. Please do not forget to subscribe Accounts Tutor YouTube channel for more videos like this. So that is it for today. So let's meet with another video. Thank you very much.